Khalif Kairo's legal troubles. According to Khalif Kairo, the reason why he is unable to fix the mess that he's been having going on, it's because of the legal troubles that he's facing, mostly because of how the DCI are frustrating him. Now, after his arrest yesterday, he had a couple of things to say on X today, which is basically giving us a sneak peek into what has been happening and why we've been seeing so many cases of him getting arrested and this ending up in the blogs and in the media. So now he's alleging that one of his customers by the name Faith is using a relative in DCI to frustrate him. He posted a message that was shared to him by this lady Faith back in January, which was basically a threat. The reason why this lady is threatening Khalif Kairo is because, of course, Khalif Kairo never delivered the car after being paid a lot of money. This is not the first client making these accusations on Khalif Kairo, but definitely she's one who's willing to go to the extra mile of making Khalif Kairo suffer. Now, we'll be discussing this in detail a bit later, but let's look at part of the message that she sent to Khalif Kairo. So the message reads, "Happy New Year, Joseph Wambui. I really hope that for your sake and that of your unborn children, you will deliver our car. Because as we enter this year, if you will not have delivered the Honda before 14th January, I'm going to personally make sure you suffer." And then she goes ahead to outline some of the things that she will do to make Khalif Kairo suffer, including ensuring that Khalif Kairo is posted on the DCI website so that everybody gets to know that Khalif Kairo is one, a criminal, and two, she will ensure that the bond Kairo gets after being presented to court is equal to or close to the balance of the car. I mean, the balance that, I don't know, I'm not sure, just so she could gauge how dull he is. And then the third pointer states, "I'm personally going to present our story to as many podcasts as possible, starting with ones you have already visited and shown your star, including Lynn Gugi's podcast, Eve Mungai's page. And last but not least," she also said, "and then I will also share your story to all media houses, even Kikuyu ones." Going by that message, we have seen all the things stated in that message going down. We have seen Khalif Kairo's arrest receiving so much media attention. And even Kairo himself states that it's funny how everything this lady said played out. So according to Khalif Kairo, this lady is related to a DCI official who happens to go by the name Mr. Masharia, I believe. Yeah, he says Faith was the lady who had made me arrested in January when a video circulated of me getting assaulted by an officer at Nairobi area. She was also the individual recording when I was arrested yesterday. Faith was still present and was giving orders to officers at Kilimani police station. She also ensured that a DCI vehicle was present at court to pick me up. So Khalif Kairo was basically just complaining about how this lady has been frustrating him and frustrating his legal process, and it is because of these frustrations that he's unable to get out of this mess. He actually went offline stating that he may be in the remand because he was given a bond of 2 million shillings and cash bail was not an option, and because he wasn't able to get that, he had to be part of the people in remand. Now, that is Khalif Kairo's situation, and he's talking about how, this is not fair. Somebody using a relative to come at him, it's not fair. Now, my question to you is, what do you think? I was going through the comments and somebody was telling Khalif Kairo that it's actually time you start blaming yourself, because ever since these stories began, you've been blaming everybody but yourself, your enemies, whatnot, and now you're simply blaming this girl, and all she's trying to do is keep her word, and it's obviously because you didn't fulfill your end of the bargain, so it's your fault. Now, what do you think? Is Khalif Kairo being treated unfairly, or is this exactly what he deserves? Comment down below, let us know what your take is on this, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.